Welcome to my ultimate Freiburg travel guide vlog 2026, with everything you need to know before visiting one of Germany's most beautiful and livable cities, where I'll share the best places to visit in Freiburg, a smart itinerary, essential travel tips, local food you must try, and even the exact budget to plan your trip. And by the end of this video, you'll be fully ready to visit Freiburg. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. And you'll also find the best deals for visiting Freiburg through the links in my description, including transport, accommodation, and tours. Freiburg is best known for its beautifully preserved old town, eco-friendly lifestyle, sunny climate, and relaxed university atmosphere, which together make it one of the most pleasant and livable cities in Germany. It is located in southwestern Germany at the edge of the Black Forest, just a short distance from the French and Swiss borders, giving it a unique cross-cultural feel. For visitors, Freiburg offers colorful medieval streets, historic landmarks, scenic nature escapes, wine culture, local cuisine, and a slow, authentic travel experience that's easy to enjoy at your own pace. For a day-by-day itinerary, Freiburg is perfect for both short visits and longer stays, as you can easily explore Freiburg Old Town in just one full day if you are visiting from nearby cities like Strasbourg or Basel. If you decide to stay in Freiburg, one full day is ideal for discovering the Old Town in depth, while the following days can be used for easy day trips to Strasbourg and Basel thanks to excellent transport connections. Because of its proximity to the Alsace region and generally more affordable accommodation options, Freiburg can also be a smart base during the Christmas season. In that period, staying here for 3 to 5 days works very well as a central hub to explore nearby festive cities and regions. For a detailed full city itinerary with exact routes, timings, and attractions, make sure to wait for my next video. Freiburg Minster and Münsterplatz form the historic heart of the city, where you can visit the impressive Gothic cathedral for free and optionally climb the tower for a small fee of around €5 to enjoy panoramic views over Freiburg. The Bächle are Freiburg's famous small water channels running through the old town streets, creating a unique and highly photogenic atmosphere as you explore the city. At Rathausplatz, you'll find both the Altes Rathaus and Neues Rathaus, where you can admire elegant historic and Renaissance-style buildings from the outside. The Augustiner Museum next to Augustinerplatz offers a rich collection of regional art and history, with an entrance fee of around €8, while the square itself is lively and perfect for a short break. Martinstor is one of Freiburg's medieval city gates, and a key landmark you'll naturally pass while walking through the old town. Schwabentor marks the eastern entrance of the old town and adds strong historical character to this part of the city. Konviktstrasse is one of the most beautiful streets in Freiburg, famous for its colorful houses, cobblestones, and postcard-like scenery. The iconic Kaufhaus Freiburg stands out on Münsterplatz with its red facade and decorative tiles, making it one of the city's most recognizable buildings. Oberlinden is a quiet and picturesque corner of the old town that feels timeless and peaceful during a city walk. Bertholdsbrunnen is Freiburg's main meeting point and transport hub, surrounded by shops, cafes, and everyday city life. You can find the best deals to visit these places through the links in my description. And for a more detailed breakdown of the best places to visit in Freiburg, please wait for my next video. One of the best things to do in Freiburg is climbing up to the Greifenegg-Schlössl viewpoint, where you'll be rewarded with incredible city and Black Forest views, especially beautiful at sunset. Exploring the old town on foot is a must, as its compact layout makes it easy to admire historic streets, architecture, and everyday local life. Strolling along the famous historic water channels adds a unique and charming atmosphere to your walk through the city. Relaxing at lively public squares like Münsterplatz or Augustinerplatz is perfect for soaking in the local vibe and people watching. Sitting at traditional outdoor cafes is another highlight, especially on sunny days, when Freiburg truly feels relaxed and welcoming. Visiting museums such as the Augustiner Museum is ideal for culture lovers, with entry fees usually around €8 and special discounts on certain days. Joining a guided walking tour is a great way to learn about Freiburg's history and hidden stories, with tours typically costing between €10 and €15 per person. Shopping at street markets, especially around Münsterplatz, lets you experience regional products, fresh food, and local crafts. Trying local and international delicacies at Markthalle Freiburg is a must, offering a wide variety of affordable food options in one place. During the festive season, enjoying Freiburg's Christmas markets is a magical experience, usually from late November to late December, with seasonal food, lights, and a cozy holiday atmosphere. You can find the best deals for activity offers through the links in my description. And for a more detailed breakdown of the best things to do in Freiburg, please wait for my next video. The closest airport is Euro Airport Basel-Mulhouse Freiburg, with easy connections to Freiburg by train or shuttle. While Freiburg is also well connected by train from major German cities like Frankfurt, Munich, and Stuttgart, as well as from Strasbourg and Basel. International buses such as Flixbus run regularly from nearby countries, and driving by private or rental car is very convenient from Germany, France, and Switzerland. Getting around Freiburg is simple and efficient with direct airport connections, an excellent tram and bus network, bike-friendly streets for cycling and e-bikes, walkable old town areas, taxis and Uber for short trips, and plenty of e-scooters for quick city rides. When it comes to where to stay in Freiburg, the best neighborhoods are the Old Town for first-time visitors who want to be close to major sites, and areas near the main train station for convenience and better value. Budget travelers can find affordable options like Intercity Hotel Freiburg, which offers practical rooms and easy transport access, while mid-range hotels and guest houses such as Hotel am Rathaus, Hotel Oberkirch, Hotel Beren, and Kreuzblume Hotel and Restaurant provide comfort, character, and excellent central locations. For a more upscale stay, Mercure Hotel Freiburg am Münster is a popular luxury choice right in the Old Town, offering modern rooms and views close to the cathedral. You can find the best deals for accommodation options through the links in my description below. Freiburg is not considered an overly expensive city compared to major European destinations like Paris, London, or Zurich, and prices are generally more moderate for travelers. On average, a coffee costs around €3 to €4, a casual meal €10 to €15, and public transport tickets about €2.50 to €3. For most tourists, a comfortable daily budget including accommodation, food, transport, and attractions ranges between €90 and €140 per person, depending on travel style. There are plenty of budget-friendly options in Freiburg, especially for travelers who plan smartly and book in advance. Budget hotels or guest houses can start from around €50 to €70 per night. Street food or market meals cost €5 to €8, and many attractions in the Old Town are completely free. With careful planning, budget travelers can expect to spend roughly €60 to €80 per day, including accommodation, food, local transport, and basic sightseeing. Freiburg's food scene reflects the Black Forest region, with traditional dishes like Flammkuchen and Spätzle being must-tries during your visit. Meat lovers will enjoy classic German meals such as Schnitzel at Großer Meierhof, while vegetarian and vegan travelers have great options too, including fresh local soups and international food stalls at Markthalle Freiburg. For a refined dining experience, Wolfshöhle offers elegant regional cuisine, and for something quick and local, street food like German sausages is easy to find, followed by a slice of traditional Black Forest cake for dessert. Shopping in Freiburg is focused on local character rather than mass tourism, making it a great place to buy meaningful souvenirs. Popular items include Black Forest products, local wines, handcrafted goods, wooden souvenirs, and regional food items that make perfect gifts. Bargaining is generally not common in shops or markets, but supporting small local producers is part of the authentic Freiburg experience. Nightlife in Freiburg is relaxed rather than wild, matching the city's student and eco-friendly atmosphere. The nightlife scene is centered around wine bars, cozy pubs, casual bars, and social cafes rather than large nightclubs. In the evenings, it's best to enjoy a drink at a local bar, spend time in lively squares, or take a peaceful walk through the old town to experience Freiburg's calm and friendly night vibe. For most travelers, spending 1 to 3 days in Freiburg is ideal, depending on whether you're visiting just the old town or using the city as a base for nearby day trips. Dressing comfortably is key, with casual clothes and good walking shoes recommended, and in cooler months or winter you should bring warm layers and a waterproof jacket. Freiburg is a very safe city, and standard precautions like keeping an eye on personal belongings in busy areas are usually enough. Locals value politeness and sustainability, so greeting shop staff, respecting quiet hours, and using bike lanes properly are part of local etiquette. The best time to visit Freiburg is from late spring to early autumn, when the weather is mild, sunny, and perfect for walking and outdoor cafes. Special seasons to visit include the summer festival period and the festive Christmas season, when markets and decorations create a magical atmosphere in the old town. The local currency is the euro, the main language is German, and most travelers from Europe and many other countries can enter visa-free under Schengen rules. Tipping is appreciated but not mandatory, with rounding up the bill or leaving around 5–10% in restaurants being standard. For mobile data, eSIM services like YesSIM are very convenient, and you can find a special price for my viewers through the links in my description, while free Wi-Fi is also available in many cafes and public areas. Useful apps to download include Google Maps for navigation, Deutsche Bahn for train travel, local public transport apps, and Google Translate for language support. Common tourist mistakes to avoid include underestimating walking distances, ignoring cycling rules in the old town, visiting shops on Sundays without planning ahead, and not checking museum opening hours in advance. My overall impression of Freiburg is extremely positive, and I can honestly say it's absolutely worth visiting for its charm, quality of life, and relaxed atmosphere. I would highly recommend Freiburg to families, couples, solo travelers, history lovers, nature enthusiasts, and photographers who enjoy beautiful streets, scenic views, and authentic local life. What I liked most was the balance between historic beauty and a calm, eco-friendly lifestyle, while the only downside for me was that the city can feel a bit quiet at night if you're expecting a big nightlife scene. My personal travel tip is to slow down, walk everywhere, spend time at local cafes and squares, and use Freiburg as a base to explore nearby cities and regions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cinematic travel guides and honest experiences. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments here or on my YouTube videos, and I'll be happy to reply and help you plan your trip.